Okay, so now, I want to show it to you the second common errors in Microsoft Excel. As you can view in our PowerPoint slide here, is a div divide 0 error display. So we will use the same data in our worksheet as our previous error. So example here, I delete the value inside D3. So once you delete any value inside your Microsoft Excel, inside your worksheet, so in this case I delete D3 and then suddenly, so there is one of the error displayed inside my worksheet. If in case you cannot find where is the errors, you cannot see where is the errors, you can use a shortcut key inside Microsoft Excel to help you to find the errors. So what you can do is you use a shortcut key, press Ctrl G. Again you go to your keyboard, you press Ctrl G, you will get go to dialog box, and then you click special button, and then you will get go to special dialog box. So you click at the formulas radio button, uncheck for numbers, text and logicals, just leave it for errors. And then you click OK. So you can see Microsoft Excel will highlight any error that occurs inside your worksheet. In our case here, they will highlight cell I3. So as the name suggested, the div divide 0 error appears when a formula tries to divide by 0 or by a value equivalent to 0. So you may see a div divide 0 error when data is not yet complete. For example, a cell in a worksheet is blank because data has not been entered or is not yet available. So for example, in our worksheet here, the div error display in the cell I3, because our cell at D3 is empty. So empty cells are evaluated as 0 by Excel, and then the cell I3 can't be divided by 0.